is a certified public accountant, more than 20 years in the business, and achieved the highest position in 3 years, starting with a borrowed 10,000 and now a hotel owner. 2021, runner-up of the highest income earner, author of the book Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income, the one and only Money Fairy of Lifestyles Philippines, Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradelios. The screen is yours.
So thank you everyone for being here. So ito yung first slide ko. So yung first slide ko, most people work for 40 years. And that's 40 years of alarm clock. 40 years of kulang ang income. 40 years asking permission sa boss mo. And ang masakit nito, after 40 years doing that, you retire broke. Kaya I took a different path. After 11 years of work, nag-resign ako. Kasi I cannot see myself working for 40 years just to pay bills. And buti na lang, nag-resign ako and choose a different path. Kasi with this path, nag-retire ako in just 3 years and enjoying time and money freedom. And this path is called, FIRE. Yes, FIRE. Financial Independence Retiring Early. A lifestyle movement where you save and invest aggressively so you can stop working for money long before the traditional retirement age. So hindi sila nag-retire dahil 60 na sila or dahil hindi na kaya ng katawan. But nag-retire sila at their own terms, at their own timeline. They retire young and wealthy. So ito yung mga tao na who say, I refuse to wait for 40 years. Kaya they built business to build assets. Para kang nagtanim ng mangga. And once ang mangga, malaki na, harvest ka na lang ng harvest. You don't need to plant anymore. No need to work anymore. And take note ha, hindi ito pang mayaman lang. But these are for people na may tamang desisyon at may tamang sistema. Alright, so may tatlong roads tayo to FIRE, financial roads. So sidewalk, slow lane, at saka fast lane. So, isa-isahin natin yan. Si sidewalker, sino ba siya? Live for today, no plan, spend everything, saves nothing. Walang investments, walang assets. Meron silang bahala na attitude, meaning leaves it all to chance. So, ang result, broke, dependent, no freedom. Always walking, never arriving. Mga one-day millionaire. Meron akong kakilala, may mana na natanggap. Ang ginawa, pumunta ng Hong Kong, nag-update ng gadget, spent everything talaga and saved nothing. Para bang hindi makatulog pag hindi naubos. Sila yon mga sidewalker. May kakilala ba kayong ganyan? So next laner is the slow laner. Ito naman, the traditional path. They study hard, work, save, and retire at 60. Depend entirely on salary to survive with small, slow investments lang. Ang dream nila is pension. So ang result, too slow, too risky, too late. So they're trading time for money your whole life long. Nako, napaka-risky talaga if ang katawan natin ang maghanap ng pera. Kasi, what if the body breaks down? Diba? The body gets tired, the body gets sick, or the body gets to travel. What happened ng income natin kung walang nag-work? Di wala, no? Absent, pero mga bills natin, meron. Palaging ganyan, palaging present yan ang bills. Di ba? Napaka-risky. Kaya ang dami na mga tao, kahit ayaw nila yung trabaho nila, work pa rin ng work dahil sa mga bills. So sad to say, ito yung programming natin. Kaya most of us, mga slow laner. Diyan din ako dati. The third one is the fast laner. No, sila yung nag-build a business to skip the 40 years of work. Ito yung ayaw isugal ang 40 years of productivity sa employment kasi alam nila with business, makabuild sila ng assets in just 3 to 5 years, not 40 years. Number 2, create assets that earn money while sleeping. So mga asset builders sila and enjoying income even in their sleep. Number 3, leverage systems and people. Meaning, meron silang mga wealth multiplier tools to earn more. Number 4, invest early. earn more. In their earlier years, save and save sila para maka-invest ng invest. So ang result, they retire young, real fire. So they own assets, live free. Meaning, while they play, assets pay. Gusto niyo yan? Of course. No? So ang question, which lane ka doon? No? Toward fire. The sidewalk ba, which is pending without a plan? The slow lane, employee to work until 60 and retire broke? The fast lane, own a business to achieve freedom? Which one kaya ka doon? Sidewalker ba? Slow laner? Or fast laner? Ano ka doon? Kasi lahat tayo may lane naman eh. But ang question, tama kaya ang lane mo? So tingnan natin so kung ano bang lane ang tama. So only one lane leads to fire. And that's the fast lane. So sino mga fast laner dito? Type nyo, me. Kasi sila yung mga nag-business to build assets. No? So ito, if you want fire and nasa sidewalk ka or slow lane, mali pala ang lane mo. But okay lang yan dahil may good news ako. Kasi we have an opportunity that can shift your lane and hits your fire. Gusto niyo yan? Of course, gusto natin yan. So ito muna ang tanong. Ano ba yung tanong? What is the fast lane business today? Very important question. Kasi ang daming gustong magnegosyo. But ang question, anong negosyo? Magkano kapital? Malaki ba? May magturo ba? May system ba? Listen to this. This one's for you. Lahat yan. Lahat yan. Capital, system, magturo, mentor, nakapackage na yan sa business opportunity na ipakita ko. Yung business na merong real demand, maliit ang capital, but maliit ang kita, may sistema, may mentor, and most of all, proven and tested na with real results. Gusto niyo yan? And do you want to know kung ano yung business, fast lane business? So ito, sabi ni Paul Zane Pilzer, sino ba siya? World-renowned economist, author, and presidential advisor. And sabi niya, ito yung prediction niya, 10 million new millionaires will come from wellness plus network marketing. Remember it's not 10 million, it's not 10 millionaires, but 10 million new millionaires, di ba? Grabe, no? 10 million new millionaires. Grabe naman, no? If hindi tayo kasali dito, no? In Bisaya, banga na gid kaayo. If ito industry natin at hindi tayo maging millionaire. Bakit? Sabi niya, ang wellness industry is a $1 trillion industry, bigger than the entire sickness healthcare system. Kasi people are now paying to stay healthy, not just treat illness. No, so yan, kaya mas malaki pa ang industry talaga natin kaysa hospital business or pharmacy because people don't wait to get sick anymore kasi mahal pa hospital. They want to prevent sickness. They are now more careful what to put in their bodies. Mas health conscious na sila. That's why the wellness industry is a growing industry. Okay, so why network marketing naman? Wellness is best shared by word of mouth because when product works, people share it. So yan. So sino bang hindi ma-excited na na meron akong kakilala na pumunta talaga sa ibang bansa dahil sa insomnia niya. Pero hindi pa rin siya nakatulog. But with Intra, imagine less than a bottle lang, himbing na himbig yung tulog niya at gumaganda pa siya. So kahit hindi pa siya nabayaran, no, i-chismis mo talaga yan. Kaya big business talaga ang wellness at network marketing. Yes or yes? All right. So, the question is not if may negosyo ka. Ang question, are you in the right industry? Because timing is everything. Kasi kahit anong sipag mo, but ang business mo, encyclopedia, wala talagang ang benta. So, position yourself in the right industry. Alright, so wellness product, what we offer is simple wellness product that work, lifestyle product that people use, love, and reorder every month. So ang pinaka-wow factor nito is the reorder. Once ka lang mag-explain, then text na ng text sa'yo for repeat orders. Ano pa, a ready-made distribution business with the AB franchising system already built for you. Good news again, you don't need to start from scratch kasi may system na. Just plug in and run it. Ano pa? A community that guides you. Your AB team walks with you every step of the way. So you're not doing this alone. Every step of the way, your AB team is with you. Yes or yes? So achieve fire and live like this. So bakit nagtrabaho tayo? It's not just for money, but for freedom, for fire. So we can do what we want. Walang alarm, walang boss. You wake up because tapos ka nang matulog. When you want it, wala nang leave form. Ikaw na mag-decide if kailan gusto mo magbakasyon. Where you want it. Sa bahay ba? Sa beach? Sa ibang bansa? Kahit saan. Basta may internet, may income ka. With whom you want. With family, with friends. Hindi yun na yung tao na napilitan ka lang makisama. And as much as you want. Walang limit, walang ceiling. Your effort determines your reward. Yes. So, real talk lang ha. This is my last slide. You are not lazy. You are not unlucky. You were just on the wrong lane. Alright? So, magaling ka, hardworking ka, smart ka, but hindi pa rin umaangat dahil mali ang vehicle mo. We have this saying, direction is better than speed, di ba? Para yang sumakay ka ng tricycle, papunta Manila, and nasa Davao ka, kahit anong bilis mo, hindi ka pa rin makarating. It's not the problem of the driver, the problem is ang sasakyan. May mali kasi tayong akala while growing up. We thought job ang magpayaman sa atin, the slow lane. But meron palang fast lane that we can retire early, that we will only build it once and makita tayo monthly kahit tulog tayo. And that lane exists. And that's exactly what we are offering you today. So take the fast lane to fire. Yes or yes? So yan, my final question to you. Are you ready to start your fast lane journey? Yes or yes? Yes. So ito yung story ko. So ako, ordinary employee lang, 11 years nag-work, and during employment years ko, within employment years, nag-poultry, nag-pharmacy, nag-grocery, walang nangyari. So yan, palipat-lipat kami ng bahay, 8 times palipat-lipat. Ang hirap talaga ng buhay, kahit bili kami ng electric fan, kailangang pag-isipan. Otherwise, bagsak talaga yung budget. Alright? So, yan kami dati. But, kaya nag-resign ako after 11 years. I took a different path. Sabi ng husband ko, huwag kang mag-resign kasi ang dami nating utang. Pero nag-resign talaga ako. And true enough, nung nag-grade 1 ang anak ko, wala akong pang tuition. So, pumunta ako sa America to work. Nung nag-work ako doon, na-homesick ako, bumalik sa Pilipinas, jobless, until I receive a letter sa pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. So, bumalik ako sa work. In the morning, nag-report ako. In the afternoon, nag-resign ako. So, pray talaga ako ng pray. Lord, bigyan mo ako ng business na maliit ang kapital, pero malaki ang kita, Lord. So, naalala ko yung Incha, nagamit na kami years back, and nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko. Sabi ko, ito yung business ko. At nangutang ako ng 10,000, tinulungan ako, merong support, tinutulungan, sasamahan, tuturuan, and the rest is history. No? So ngayon, dito na, ang dami ko ng properties, yan, makita mo yan sa screen, and may cars na, maraming cars, ano pa, may maraming house, pero dito ako nakatira ngayon sa my dream house, and maraming house for rentals, ano pa, yung anak ko, yung dalawa sa abroad, nag-graduate, and marami akong travels, no, international and local travels. Tapos marami akong investments, yan, paper assets, business assets, and real estate assets. And dalawa yung hotel ko, maliit na bagay. And ano pa, of course, no, nag-ano din kami sponsor ng mga scholars. Alright? So yan, ano talaga yung personality growth ko, grabe dito. Dati, napaka-shy ko. Ngayon, napaka-confident. Confident na magsalita. So yan, ang pinaka-blockbuster story ko, from a borrowed 10,000 to a hotel owner. I am now living my life, living of my dreams ngayon, living my dreams na ngayon, hitting my fire. So inviting everyone, if you are in the slow lane or sidewalk, change your lane to fast lane because that's the only lane towards fire. And together, let's build assets and be free.